Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will introduce you Miko, a new friend. So who's Miko? Miko is a friendly AI voice robot. Miko's name comes from Microsoft and Copilot, and it is designed particularly for voice conversation. Miko is very bright and friendly voice assistant for you. And here is a little tips for you to talk with Miko. Please talk with Miko like a way you talk to your neighbors. Please use Miko for your brain exercise like memory and thinking. And Miko improves over time, so the more you chat, the smarter and more helpful Miko becomes. And please remember that Miko is also AI robot, so please do not share your personal information or personal emotion. Because at the end of the day, Miko is also just an AI robot. Okay, so back to our browser, Copilot.microsoft.com. You see this little microphone icon. Please click on this icon, icon. You might be asked if you are human beings, and of course, select yes and go to the next. And if this is your first time, you will be asked if you allow the microphone access to your computer. Please select allow, otherwise you won't be able to enjoy the conversation with Miko. And after accepting the microphone access, please select try it. And there you go. You are directed to Miko's page. And you might find this gear icon here, right next to the microphone. Please select this one, and then you will see you have 8 voice choices. Please select one of the best or one of the most comfortable voice for you to carry conversation. And after that, you are now ready. Your own personal Miko is ready to talk to you. In my next video, let me introduce some hints and tips for the human-like conversation with Miko. See you in the next video. Bye.